Hey friends, welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we're going to draw a little cute skincare face mask. So let's get started. First we're going to start by making the face mask. So we're going to make a circle. Like oval thingy for the eyes and another one on the side. Cute. And now we're going to make this weird shape for the nose and now the mouth. Now curve and make like a pickle shape. Okay, now we're going to make a circle so we could finish making our face mask. So follow along with me. And now we're going to add like dots. As a detail for our face mask. There we go, and that's not it. We have to draw like the packaging thingy so it looks more realistic. So we're going to make like, I've seen this on like mats, so yeah, you have to make that and curve like that. Make a line and we're gonna come down and make like a square. Now we're going to make like a little dots. And the thing that like for hanging. Now we're going to draw a little strawberry so it represents which flavored face mask it is. So I didn't mean for eating. Okay, so let's start with the leaves. So wait, this looks so cute. It looks like a little flower if I add like a dot. Cute, but it's actually a strawberry. Strawberries, leaves. So I'm gonna make a shape like the egg, and we have to add like strawberries, like seeds. Okay, now we're going to add like a little text. Not actually text, just add like scribbles and to make it like realistic. And that's it. That's the end of my drawing. I hope you loved it. And if you did, please tell me what I should make next for my next video in the comment section. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.